As they say, in life, it's the journey, not the destination, that makes us who we are. In our bodies, our veins and arteries are the highways and byways that take us on our journey of overall health and well-being. But how do we keep these roadways clear? We can exercise, eat right, reduce stress, and get plenty of sleep. But is it enough? How do we ensure our journey to overall health and well-being doesn't take an unwanted detour? Well, now, there is an answer. Introducing Laminine Omega Plus, the next step to a better quality of life and restoring the body's inner balance. Using the highest quality and safely sourced ingredients, Laminine Omega Plus is our new proprietary blend of omega fatty acids, CoQ10, and vitamin K2, plus an extra boost of Laminine's powerful, unique fertilized avian egg extract. Laminine Omega Plus builds on the foundation laid in your body, allowing Laminine to be delivered where it is needed most in your body in a more efficient way. It's Laminine's perfect counterpart, and when taken together, the effects of both are enhanced. Laminine Omega Plus, creating a clear road to total health. Available now.